Hi everyone, I am Lakesia and I am about to open the items that I received from Fabula. And I am excited. So let's see what we have here. Okay, so my sling bag, watch out, Coco. So we have just a little card that says join, share, earn, and then it has the fabula.com, my packing slip, and here's my sling. I am so excited to get this because I've been carrying a large bag. If I had it in here, I would show you, and it is full. So I am so excited to just get this little sling bag that I can just put some items in when we are out and about, just running around. As long as my phone can fit in it, I'm good. And let me show you guys the inside of it. Look at that, that's super cute. It has my M on it. I just wanted my single initial. Then it has an open compartment here for items, your ID and whatnot. And I love the gold zippers, and this is super cute. Okay, and then we have a back pocket back here. So we have some clips, so I'm guessing you can wear it or rock it different ways if you so choose. I have a big Coach bag and I am excited about just changing it up, having a smaller bag just to run around with. And then this was part of the kit, and it has some nice like gift wrapping paper. It's just so nice. But I was tearing this open, and it's just a little bag, and it's a mini like One Trip Wonder, if you guys remember that from back in the day. Has my initial on it, and it is not sewn in. It is, I forgot what Brittany said, so I don't have to worry about it snagging or and all of that. But it has the join, share, earn, and it's just a little bag, like a little weekend. Put some little toiletries and stuff in it. And it has Fabula and has the information on the back. But that's super cute, not too big, not too small. And then of course we have our zipper, and I think that's the difference with the One Trip Wonders now. They have a zipper on them. So check that out. So that is cute. I am so excited. And guess what? If you guys want to join, hop on the train and join us this month as an affiliate. There's no fee to join, and then there's no monthly fee. So what are you losing? Also, you can get $25 product credit when you spend $50. Amazing. But thank you guys for watching. Take care. Have a great day.